In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a credit card in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a quick look at the left-hand menu because that's where you'll find most of the tools you need to manage your finances. For this process, we'll be working inside the banking area, since that's where bank accounts and credit cards are connected and managed. Go ahead and click on Banking. This section is designed to help you track transactions, connect financial accounts, and keep your records organized inside Zoho Books. If you're adding a credit card for the first time, this is the right place to begin. After opening the banking section, look for the option that says Connect Bank or Credit Card and click on it. At this point, Zoho Books may show you different ways to add your card. In some cases, you'll see a list of available financial institutions or card providers. If your credit card provider appears here, you can select it and continue through the connection process. This is usually the faster option when your provider is supported, because it can help bring transactions into Zoho Books automatically. If you'd rather enter the card manually, or if your provider doesn't appear in the list, simply click Add Account. This option allows you to input the credit card information yourself. When you do this, Zoho Books will ask for the necessary account details. Enter the required information carefully and make sure everything matches your card account accurately. Taking a moment to review the details before saving can help prevent syncing issues or account confusion later on. As you fill things in, pay attention to the account name and any identifying details you use, especially if you manage multiple bank accounts or cards in the same Zoho Books organization. Clear naming can make your records much easier to understand when you're reviewing expenses, reconciling transactions, or running reports. Once you've entered the necessary details, continue through the prompts and save the account. After that, your credit card should appear in the banking section, where you can start tracking activity and keeping your books up to date. That's all it takes to add a credit card in Zoho Books. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to get your account set up smoothly and keep your financial records more organized going forward.